Hello everyone, welcome back to Learn with Priya. In today's video, we are going to learn body parts names in Kannada with English pronunciation. This video is perfect for kids, beginners, students and anyone interested in learning Kannada vocabulary. So let's start learning body parts in Kannada in fun and easy way. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Learn with Priya for more educational videos. Let's begin. Body, Sharira. Head, Tale. Hair, Kudalu. Forehead, Netti. Face, Mukha. Eye, Kannu. Ear, Kivi. Nose, Mugu. Nostril, Mungina Randra. Cheek, Galla. Mouth, Bai. Lip, Tutti. Tooth, Hallu. Tongue, Nalage. Neck, Gantalu. Shoulder, Bhuja. Chest, Ede. Back, Bennu. Hand, Kai. Palm, Karatala. Finger, Beralu. Nail, Uguru. Stomach, Hotte. Waist, Sonta. Thigh, Mandi. Leg, Kalu. Toe, Kalina Beralu. Skin, Charma. Bone, Elubu. Blood, Rakta. Heart, Hrudaya. Belly button, Hokkalu. Great job! How you learn many body parts names in Kannada with English pronunciation. Keep practicing these words every day to improve your Kannada vocabulary and speaking skills. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. Subscribe to Learn with Priya for more language learning videos. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye and happy learning.